In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most feature-packed budget drones of the year, the E99S 8K Brushless Drone. This compact, foldable quadcopter might look small, but it's loaded with professional-grade features like 5G Wi-Fi FPV, GPS return, and an 8K HD dual camera system designed for crisp aerial photography. As soon as we launch the drone, you'll notice how stable it is. Thanks to its altitude hold mode and optical flow positioning, the E99S maintains a smooth hover even in tricky conditions. And with its brushless motor, the flight performance is quieter, more efficient, and more durable than traditional toy drones. One of its standout features is the 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system. As we fly close to walls, objects, and tight corners, you'll see the sensors automatically detect barriers and prevent collisions, making this drone incredibly beginner-friendly. Throughout the video, we'll test out the 8K wide-angle camera, showing real aerial footage, gesture controls, 50x zoom, and real-time FPV transmission through the mobile app. You'll also see how well it handles one-button takeoff, landing, emergency stop, and trajectory flight. We'll explore all the smart functions, including up-down and directional movement, headless mode, one-click return to home, gravity sensor control, LED lighting and night visibility, 3-speed flight modes, and automatic photography and video recording. Despite its compact size, folding down to just 7.5 by 13.5 centimeters, the E99S unfolds into a full-sized, powerful quadcopter with a flight time of about 20 minutes and a remote range of up to 120 meters. Plus, you'll see everything included in the box: the aircraft, controller, spare props, battery, charging cable, manuals, and the storage bag that makes traveling with the E99S incredibly easy. Whether you're a beginner looking for a safe, easy-to-fly drone or someone wanting stunning aerial shots without spending a fortune, the E99S drone delivers surprising performance for its size and price. Stick around until the end for our final verdict. Is the E99S drone worth buying in 2025?